guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm in my mom's channel because he's right there filming it. And welcome to my mom's video. So this is I forgot. Okay, but this is
A gift?
a gift for Rizamae and Mark. And also we're also gonna open it. So, mommy,
I'll do it.
no. Are you recording?
Yep.
Okay, my mom's cutting it for me because it's too dangerous for me. And
Move, buddy. Move.
okay, I'm moving. So she's telling me to move right now. Ah!
Okay. Now you can open.
Wait, it's for me? Oh my gosh. Is it for me?
No, this is ours. That's from Kuya Mark. Okay, open now.
Oh, I was gonna pop this.
Later.
Yeah. I'm taking this over. So I just pop it. Okay, turn it.
Hurry up.
And Mom, you give me Yami?
Oh, Labs, come here.
I'm gonna pop.
Can do it.
Guys, you hear it?
Labs. Come here, Labs. Kulay. That's from Kuya Mark.
Are you recording, Mom?
Portable speaker.
Yep. And there's another one.
What?
Guys, you hear this?
Whoa. Oh!
It's too loud, Kulay.
I know. This is what we're doing, okay?
Let me see. Buksan muna natin para makita and then install natin mamaya.
That one is so powerful.
Selfie ring. What the heck? What?
That-
Selfie ring?
That one has a light.
Pang one yan? Pang selfie yan? What?
This
What's
is,
that ring?
yeah, that one is different because that one has a ring.
Oh!
Mine doesn't have a, yeah. That one has ring light, something like that. And install muna natin guys, tapos pakita namin sa inyo. Ito naman yung sa orange na yan. Ano yung labs ko? Portable video key something. Can you see speaker? Yeah.
Portable karaoke ata to eh.
Yeah. Yan o.
This is a
So you
controller.
can bring it anywhere you wanna
This
go.
is a controller.
That's a remote, buddy.
Okay, this is for you, Nikolai.
Yeah!
No.
Thank you, Kuya Mark and Ate Sammy for my birthday gift. I-install muna natin guys para
Ours, human?
makita natin kung paano siya
No, ito yung
gamitin.
sabi mo pang
That's for ano, when we go.
Concert mo.
No, I have one already doon sa kabila. And then yan yung ano, pag lalabas tayo sa park, we can bring that one because it's just small.
concert mo nga.
Yeah, sa park at saka sa camping. That's cute. I like it.
Wow.
Oh, that's cute though. Kasi charge muna, I think.
Okay. Here.
Ayan na siya guys. I-try ko muna siya and then pakita ko kung maganda siya.
This is the biggest,
Yeah, that's the ring.
the biggest ring?
You wanna try it right now?
Thank you for watching, friends. Like and subscribe.